Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will show you our class management system application. This is basically a Windows based application. We used Java to build this application and Java FX for build graphical user interface of this application. And also we use MySQL as the database. So let's start it. This is our sliding page for sign in and sign up. Let's sign up as an user. We will sign up as a teacher. So let's create the account. Okay, we will create an account as a teacher. Okay, verification password is sent to the user email. So we have to verify the mail with this verification code. Okay, our user is now verified. So we have to give some personal details for creating the user profile. Okay, this is our dashboard. So now go to profile. This is our profile. We can edit our profile. Let's edit something. Okay, save this. Okay, saved. Now we will go classrooms. Currently there is no classrooms because we don't create anyone. Now let's create a classroom. We have to give classroom name and course name. Okay, our classroom is created and a random classroom code, random and unique classroom code is generated. Okay, students can join with this classroom code here. Okay, currently there is no student. Okay, no announcement and no exam marks also. No attendance. Okay. Here is the classroom code. I copied the code. Let's create another classroom. Here another classroom code is generated and the classroom code is unique. Okay, now there are two classrooms. Okay, then log out from teacher's account. We will log in as a student account to join the classroom. Okay, sign up as a student account now. Then we can join the classrooms created by teacher with the respective classroom code. Okay, again a verification email is sent to my mail and let's check my mail. Yes, copy this code and verify my email. Okay, my email is now verified. So we have to also give some personal details here because we are creating another new profile. Done. This is our students dashboard. Classroom. Currently there are no classroom. We will join in a classroom. Okay, let's join in a classroom. Okay, we joined in a classroom. The classroom name is Software Development 2 and classroom code here, and course teacher name. Here is the course teacher's profile. Okay, there is 3 option: attendance. Currently there is no attendance. Go back. And exam marks. Currently there is no exam marks. And announcement. Currently there is no announcement. Okay. We will join another classroom. Okay, join. Okay, now there is two classroom. Let's back. Okay, then log out from this account. Now we will log in with an old account and show you some details. Oh, email. There is problem with email. So we can try forget password. No, there is a problem with mail. So I correct this and give my password. Okay, and again I forget my password. So I have to use forget password. So I have to give my email and they will send a OTP to my email to recover my password. Okay, let's check my email. Okay, here is the code. So I copy the code. Yes, so I have to give a new password here. Okay, confirm the password. Okay, now confirmed. Okay, this is my profile. Go back to classrooms. There is only one classroom. Back. So it is a teacher's profile, teacher's account, teacher's dashboard here. So there is some students in my classrooms. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 students. So I want to give attendance to a specific student. So pick the date, select the students, pick the date, and give present. Okay, so I give the present. P is showed here. Okay, I give present to all of my student. Now publish the attendance. Okay, it's published. So now student, if I want to see the student list, this is the student list. I can show every student's profile here. Okay. Okay. At the same time, I can show every student's attendance, total class, total attendance, and exam marks and total marks. So we can change the total marks of attendance. So I change this and the calculation is changed. Okay. Let's get back. Okay, I can show the exam marks of a particular student in my course. Quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4, everything. So I also can remove a student from here. So I remove the student. So this is the announcement section. So I can give any announcement to my classroom. So I edited my previous announcement and give a new announcement. Okay. Okay, then save this. Saved. And this announcement is published in my classroom. Now, here is a student profile. Get back. Exam marks. I can give exam marks to individual students. So, give a name of exam. Okay, final exam. Total marks will be 100. And this will be converted to 70. So he gets 65. Done. So converted marks will be automatically calculated. So published, I published the marks. So students can now see this. Okay, back and log out from here. Now I will log in as student to see is the how the information is changed. Okay, here is my profile, classroom. So there is 4 classroom. If I see the attendance, yes, total class 9 and total attendance only 3. The exam marks, I can see the exam marks. There is final exam, which I inserted sometime before. There is the announcement section. Okay, and course teacher name. So I can see course teacher's profile. Back. So it is another course. So here is the exam marks, and there is no announcement here. Okay, course teacher is another person, and this is the course teacher's profile. Okay, get back. Now log out from the account. Okay. So this project is created by, this is our team created by 4 person. Thank you, MD Monim Hussain, MD Shakir Mahmood, and Rafiur Rahman Siddiqui. Thank you all. This is my contact email. This is our contact email, classmanagements@gmail.com.